What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a digital currency that was created in January 2009. It follows the ideas set out in a white paper by the mysterious and pseudonymous Satoshi Nakamoto. The identity of the person or persons who created the technology is still a mystery. Bitcoin offers the promise of lower transaction fees than traditional online payment mechanisms and, unlike government-issued currencies, it is operated by a decentralized authority. Bitcoin is a type of cryptocurrency. There are no physical bitcoins, only balances kept on a public ledger that everyone has transparent access to. All Bitcoin transactions are verified by a massive amount of computing power. Bitcoins are not issued or backed by any banks or governments, nor are individual Bitcoins valuable as a commodity. Despite it not being legal tender, Bitcoin is very popular and has triggered the launch of hundreds of other cryptocurrencies, collectively referred to as altcoins. Bitcoin is commonly abbreviated as BTC. A vast amount of computational power is used to verify all Bitcoin transactions. Individual Bitcoins are not valuable as commodities since they are not distributed or guaranteed by any banks or governments. Despite the fact that it is not legal tender, Bitcoin is extremely common and has sparked the development of hundreds of other cryptocurrencies known as altcoins. BTC is a common abbreviation for Bitcoin. Understanding Bitcoin. The Bitcoin system consists of a network of computers, also known as nodes or miners, that run Bitcoin's code and store its blockchain. A blockchain can be thought of as a series of blocks metaphorically. Each block contains a series of transactions. No one can cheat the system because all machines running the blockchain have the same list of blocks and transactions and can see all new blocks being filled with new Bitcoin transactions transparently. These transactions can be seen in real time by everyone, whether or not they run a Bitcoin server. A bad person will need to control 51% of the computational power that makes up Bitcoin in order to commit a criminal act. As of January 2021, Bitcoin had about 12,000 nodes, and this number is increasing, making such an attack highly unlikely. However, if an attack were to occur, Bitcoin miners, those who participate in the Bitcoin network with their computers, would most likely fork to a new blockchain, making the bad actors' attempt to carry out the attack pointless. Public and private keys, which are long strings of numbers and letters connected by the mathematical encryption algorithm used to generate them, are used to keep track of Bitcoin token balances. The public key, which is identical to a bank account number, is the address that is made public and to which others may send Bitcoins. The private key, which functions similarly to an ATM PIN, is intended to be kept private and is only used to approve Bitcoin transactions. A Bitcoin wallet, which is a physical or digital device that enables Bitcoin trading and allows users to monitor ownership of coins, should not be confused with Bitcoin keys. The word wallet is a misnomer, since Bitcoin is never held in a wallet, but rather decentralized on a blockchain. So thanks for watching. I hope you learned a thing or two in this episode. Be sure to like the video so that we can reach out to maximum people and subscribe the channel for more videos. Cheers guys, have a good one.